Saka lang.
Last two shots. Score natin, 55-46. Now Salcedo. Pass to Ortega. For float. No good. And rebound by Pato. Transition pass. Ibinigay kay Magat. Magat. And another foul. Number 8, Mitas. Third team foul on LA. Mitas first personal. Magat. Otto Apinado. Easy to force. Technica. Rep. Technical for unsportsmanlike behavior. Number 61, Apinado. Sampu ang kalabangan ng LA. Ay 10 ang kalabangan ng DBH. Salcedo for three. Nakakuha ni Bong Calonta. And nakakuha pa rin ng DBH. And Bong Calonta. Drop set. Ordillada. And still by Pato. Nakakuha Pinado. Umagat. Counter! Time out ulit. Time out! Los amigos! Isa na lang time out nyo. Who's Malvet? Number 71, Salcedo. Sina score. 61. Wait lang. Ano, 59. Sina score? Si Magat, no? Warning for penalty, LA. Salcedo, third personal foul. $60. Now Ortega. Ortega and nice step. Pem nakuha rin. Magat. Simbo. Alas. Nice make transition. Easy 2 points. Now Salcedo. Trying to drive. On Balud. And still no good. He's got a rebound. Balud again. Another foul. Spalmet. Number 29, Figueroa. First team foul on DBH Figueroa. Fourth personal foul. Balud on the first one is still good. Keeper to. Keeper. Balod ulit. No good. And Bongkalota makakuha ng rebound. Salcedo. Pass. 50. Now, Bando. Napakagandang screen. Pero nakuha ni Binibawa. But then to shoot. Apilado. Drop spot. Pero nakuha ni Salcedo. Pagkabagat pa rin. Bagat. Drop it. Last 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Bongkalota. Salcedo again. Pinigay kay Escalila. No good. And save ball. Bongkalota. Salcedo. 50 to shoot. Bongkalota to Orteliana. 4-3. No good. Out of bounds, DBH ball. Okay. Lavando. Back to Miami. Easy to book. Derecho. Back to Bali. Bounce fake. Balo to the 5 and 2. Now, Magat. No, there is 2. Now, Orteliana. Pass to Medina. On try ng Balut. Pass to Medina again. Medina, nakaling ang masabi ang nakuha ko din. Bando. Mid. And apilado is si Dead ball tayo, dead ball. Orteliana. Crossing. And another one. Check. Doublet. Pasok kayo labas out. Now, Bando. Pass to Magat. 4-3. Ah! 71. Salcedo. And another steal from Magat. Back pass. On to Fajardo. And another one to Sofa. 71 Salcedo. Penalty. Salcedo for personal foul. Stop it. Dalawa. 73. Pasok ka daw. Nakuha nga ni Pelon. Pelon. Sabi ng foul, number 15, Magat. Two minutes and 6 seconds. Magat. Second personal foul. Last 2 minutes. Nagmamayabang nga sa akin, coach. Mamaya ako, pag na-up kay MRB, ako kukumpronta dun. Last 10 second shot lang. Pato. Driving in. Napakagandang pasa kang last. Engine. Maningil ka na. DPH. Alas. Nakuha niyo na naman ako. Number 15, Magat. Wait lang po. Magat, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Balon. Issue to boards. Dito daw sa kabila, balon pa rin. Under yung oras yan ha. Bala kayo dyan. Pati shot na. 10 seconds. 50 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds shot clock. Last. Hey! Well advanced on semifinals. Final score for